Hey everyone, welcome back to All Buzz. Today, we're diving into the world of bridge cameras. You know, those amazing hybrids that bridge the gap between compact and DSLR cameras. If you're looking for something versatile with a powerful zoom and DSLR, like controls, you're in the right place. So, stay tuned as we reveal the best bridge cameras of 2024. Let's get started. Before we jump into our top picks, let's quickly cover what a bridge camera actually is. Bridge cameras are the perfect middle ground between compact point-and-shoot cameras and those bulky DSLRs. They offer manual controls, impressive zoom capabilities, and often come with a fixed lens. So you don't need to worry about swapping lenses. Bridge cameras are known for their incredible zoom capabilities, allowing you to get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. They're also great for wildlife and sports photography. Plus, with DSLR-like controls, you can really hone your skills and creativity. Alright, let's jump into our top picks for 2024. First up is the Sony RX10 IV. This powerhouse is known for its superb image quality and fast autofocus. It features a 20.1 megapixels 1-inch XMOR CMOS sensor. This delivers stunning clarity and detail, right? The RX10 IV boasts a 600 mm f2.4 4 Zeiss Varios on RT lens, so you get exceptional versatility from wide-angle to super telephoto. The autofocus system is incredibly fast, with 315 phase detection, f-points covering 65% of the frame. It's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects with ease. Plus, with continuous shooting up to 24 frames per second, you'll never miss a moment. And let's not forget the video capabilities. 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning ensures that your videos are as stunning as your photos. The Sony RX10 IV is a top choice for anyone serious about photography and videography. Next, we have the Panasonic Lumix FZ2500. It's a fantastic option for those who prioritize video as much as photography. This camera features a 20.1 megapixels 1-inch sensor. It also has a 2.480mm f2.8 4.5 Leica DC Vario all-mirrored lens. What sets the FZ2500 apart is its focus on video capabilities. It offers cinema 4K video recording at 24 fps and Ultra HD 4K at 30 fps. The FZ2500 includes features like variable frame rate, slow fast motion recording, and built-in ND filters. These make it a dream for videographers. The camera's control ring and dials provide an intuitive shooting experience. The 5-axis hybrid OIS ensures stable shots, even at full zoom. If you're passionate about video, the Panasonic Lumix FZ2500 is a bridge camera you can't overlook. Moving on, the Canon PowerShot SX70HS is perfect for those who want a straightforward and user-friendly experience. It offers a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and a staggering 65x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 2.1365 millimeters. The SX70HS is excellent for travel and everyday photography. Its zoom range covers virtually every situation. Its dual sensing IS reduces camera shake, ensuring sharp images even at full zoom. It's like, having a mini telescope in your hands. The Canon SX70HS also supports 4K video recording. It has a built-in OLED electronic viewfinder, giving you an edge when framing your shots. It's lightweight and portable, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go shooting. Last but not least, we have the Nikon Coolpix P950. Known for its incredible zoom capabilities, the P950 features an 83x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 2.4200 millimeters. This makes it perfect for capturing distant subjects with ease. With an advanced bird watching and moon mode, the P950 is designed for enthusiasts who want to capture intricate details from afar. The dual detect optical VR helps minimize blur, ensuring your images are always sharp. The Nikon Coolpix P950 also offers 4K Ultra HD video recording. It has a bright 2.36 million OLED viewfinder. Various shooting modes cater to both beginners and advanced users. It's a great all-rounder for anyone looking to explore their creativity and take their photography to new heights. So there you have it, folks, the best bridge cameras of 2024, each offering something unique to fit your photography and videography needs. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, these cameras provide excellent versatility and quality. Thanks for joining us today on Alt Buzz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which bridge camera caught your eye, or if there's another one you think should be on this list. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments